our much talked about music video, Huwag Siya, comes our Kakaybabes' latest single, Happy Breakup. Donalyn Bartolome, anong ganap?
Hi guys, welcome! I'm on the set of my music video, or we're on the set of my music video, Happy Breakup.
Fun, colorful, and happy naman ang theme ng pinakabago music video ni Donalyn na Happy Breakup.
Mag-ibig ay di nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay, ate, kuya, gusto kong kape at lahat ng gusto mo ay susundin ko, tapos pag nagkamali ay pipingutin mo.
Siya yung pinray ko dito guys, kaya nandito si Josh.
Hyper talaga ako ever since, diba?
Yeah, parang happy talaga na binray kita, no?
Oo, alis na ako. Bye-bye.
At kapartner naman niya ngayon ang hunky host ng MTV Pinoy na si VJ Josh Padilla.
Kaya abangan niyo yan, panoorin niyo, sana subaybayan niyo rin katulad ng ginawa niyo sa Kakaibabe. Bye!
Bye guys! Bye!
Alright, very good. It's a wrap. Yeah!
You can catch the music videos of Caleb Santos' You Are Mine and Donalyn Bartolome's Happy Breakup on MTV Pinoy. And don't forget to grab a copy of their albums through iTunes and at your favorite record bars.